Hi friends, today we will make rock paper scissors game using Arduino. I will use Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, breadboard and free micro servo to make this project. For detailed circuit diagram and Arduino code for this project, please check out the description below. VCC and GND of ultrasonic sensor will go with positive and negative power rails of breadboard. Trigger and echo pin will be connected to digital pins 11 and 10. Signal wire from micro servo will be connected to digital pin 3, 6 and 9, while the ground and positive of micro servo will be connected to power rails of breadboard. This project won't work with USB power supply provided from board, hence I will be using external power supply. To do that, I will be connecting plus 5 volt and GND output pin from Uno to breadboard power rails. Code is provided in the description below. Once you upload the code, test if everything works fine. When you bring hand closer to ultrasonic sensor, you can observe random movements of micro servo. I will be using gum tape to stick all the components. Show your support for this idea by liking and sharing this video. Thank you for watching.